So mainly developing the functionalities like bug fixing, unit testing, and also we are following agile. So we have like daily scrum calls. We have to discuss about what we will do next, and in this way we actually do like create Jira stories and shared among our team. So that is the basically roles and responsibilities that I have in my project. And for my technical stats, I am Java backend developer. Here we are using like Spring Boot microservices, and apart from that, we are using Kafka for inter-service communication, and we are also using like Git for versioning, and we are using Docker containers for like building and testing purpose. And also for like unit testing and all, we are using JUnit with Mockito framework. And apart from that, there is certain Jenkins are there for CI/CD pipeline, but I don't actually do that. There is a separate platform team is there, but we are using that. And for like DB purpose, we are using like AWS DynamoDB.
No, great. Okay. So the JD Williams fit purpose platform, right? That is the current project, right?
Yes.
So what exactly you do in this one?
So exactly the thing is like now what we are doing, we are actually breaking down the previous service what we have. So we are actually breaking down into pieces, and that is like the microservice what we are doing. Previously that I have told you, like previously that was the monolithic architecture that we have. A big development team was there, and now what we are doing actually, we have break into several squads, and right now I am a part of product squad who actually deals with the product creation, updation, or let's say like grouping things. Like grouping means you have like search criteria. Just 1 minute, can I just close my window?
No worries, please do.
Sorry for that, actually noises.
No, not an issue.
Yeah. So basically those things means grouping part is like let's say you have like product, you have opened that on PDP, and you have like several options that you may like also. So that is the part of like grouping, and one product is
Okay, got that. So this one you are working only on the backend services, right?
Yes. I'm actually on the
Microservices and
no. I'm actually on the backend side only.
Okay. And you have worked on IBM mainframe also.
Sorry?
You have worked on IBM mainframes also?
IBM mainframe means?
I mean, your CV is saying hardware is IBM mainframe, Java JTE.
Yeah, Java JTE. Yeah.
Okay, this is running on IBM mainframe, that's what you mean.
Okay.
Alright. So do you have any Java editor with you?
Yeah, I do have one ID.
Okay, good. Okay. Prior to that, can you please explain to me what is object-oriented programming and its major pillars?
Yeah, object-oriented programming means there's like Java. We have like several concepts are there in as part of OOPS concept. We have like let's say we have encapsulation, we have abstraction, we have like polymorphism. So those are like the main OOPS concept that we have in Java. And object-oriented means everything is there in terms of object, not the primitive data type. Even though we have one like primitive data type also in a Java. But we have created a wrapper class to make them as to use them as an object. So that is the main thing that we have in Java.
Great. Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate yourself on Java?
I can probably say like Java is very fast, so I can say around 7 to 8.
Very good. Okay. So shall we do some small tests now?
Okay, that is fine. Yeah, I can.
Do you have a Java editor with you?
Yes, I have one. Actually, I'm using my office laptop only. Entire screen. Yeah.
not be.
And I'm actually opening. Let me close these things, Ravi. Sorry for that. Let me just quickly create one package, then I'm starting with.
Just take one.
Yeah, you can start. Okay. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I go to that?
Where should I find that? Okay. Okay, print the squares of that above array. Is the array of integers named the square squares. You mean to say print the squares means all squaring then sum up?
No, just squares. Just 2 means 4, 4 means 16.
Okay. Let me try. Let's write down this one.
You can loop it, right?
Sorry?
Ryan? You can loop this, right? You can declare an array and using a for loop. The idea is to test the for loop away.
Okay. Means
So you can declare an array. You can declare an array and you can put a for loop and you can loop it through and print it.
okay. Means in that way you are.
Yeah, you can start the fan if you want to, because you're setting like it is.
No, I'm just
Start the fan, no issues.
I'm just trying. If I don't succeed in that, then I'll actually simply goes for the for operation.
All right.
I think this will work.
Okay, can you run this?
Yeah.
Wow. Excellent. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Now, I have been interviewing some more than thousands of people. Okay. So first time somebody is writing a code like this. All right, great. Okay, now can you please reverse this output for me?
You mean to say, just final list, I want to reverse this.
Yeah, instead of 4, 16, 36, 64, 100, you should write 164, 36, 61, 4.
Okay. Fine. Can I use normal for loop for that?
Yes, you can.
One, two, three, four, five. Segment. No. -1. Equal to 0 to 5. 0 to 4. So this is the fourth one. I think this will do that. Can I run that?
Okay.
Yeah. It's printing. Hello. 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 Not able to hear you. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sorry, I think I lost you. It's my side issue or your side issue?
And that I actually don't know. Maybe from my side only, because I have like very poor connection in my. Actually,
Okay.
something is going on in the net also.
All right. Can you?
Yeah.
I'm not able to see the screen now.
Yeah, you not able to see the screen, right? Okay. Just a moment. I'm again sharing my screen. Okay. Now, can you see my screen? Hello. Able to see my screen now? Hi, Jarajan.
Yeah, I can see now. Yeah, I
Okay, okay.
Very good. Okay. Now, you work on two-dimensional arrays, right?
Two-dimensional array.
Array, yeah.
Two-dimensional. In college days, actually.
Can you try to print this pattern for me?
Okay, okay. This one, yeah. Pattern.
Pattern only, yeah.
Okay. Trying. I'm trying. Sorry. Just a moment. Actually, I'm trying to print it. Then actually see what are the changes needs to be done here. Can I do that?
Oh, you can. So sure. You can do that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's printing on the one.
What is the logic we used? I think 4 rows and 7 digits, right? So there are 4 rows in that. And
Yes.
there are 7 digits on line 1. Okay. Then it is decremented by 2. Then it's again decremented by 2. Again decremented by 2. So that should be the logic. So you should have a loop running for 7 and 4.
Means I'm trying. This is the reverse one, so that's why I'm actually going for like row -1 to less than 0. Then I'm printing.
But where do we stop then? Even if it is row -1, where do we stop?
Sorry.
No, where do we stop? Okay, you're putting a space over there.
No, I think this will be. This is one. This is space. No. Just a moment. Starting
Sure,
from
take your
zero.
time.
Just a minute. I'm a bit confused right now.
No, it's okay.
Shift this.
Have you worked on two times like this?
Means not exactly worked on. Means this is done in my college days last.
So will you be able to, find the number of duplicate occurrences in a two-dimensional array?
Duplicate occurrences in 2D array.
Yeah.
Actually, not worked on like 2D array. We actually mostly worked on like hash maps, collections, array list.
What is hash map then?
Yeah, hash map is basically the key value pair that you stored like that. So it is like when you initialize the hash map, it is somewhere. It is actually the 16 bucket list. Means 16 nodes are there. So 0 to 15 is the capacity. So whenever you put some key and value in the hash map, what it will actually do, it will actually check for the hash code first of that key. In that, then it actually means it actually checks that where in which node that it will gonna stay up. Means by putting some algorithm like hash code mod by 16, then it will actually comes under like 0 to 15 node. And in that node it will actually store means it will like first check that if there is something with that key present or not with the equals method. So then after that it will store that key value pair as a linked list in that node. So in this way hash map actually works.
Okay. Can you explain me what is cache memory?
Cache memory is basically it's a what I can say means you use retrieve some data from let's say DB and you that stored in the memory, not the like sorry, not able to means describe you properly. Means actually not worked on. So I know about that like caching and all, but not exactly worked on.
Right. But how do you handle exceptions in Java?
Exception can be handled like in try catch block and finally, so that can be used. And also like yeah, that is the mainly we use for exception handling. Try catch finally. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have written REST APIs, right? The backend.
REST APIs. REST APIs you are talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And can you explain to me how will you approach it for writing a CRUD operation?
Okay. So mainly we are using like Spring Boot. So I'm telling you from scratch then. So what we actually do, we have like
So start from scratch in simple terms. Okay, in simple terms.
okay. Let's say we have like one get mapping is there where we are passing some ID, let's say some ID, and that we want to fetch from the user table or something. Okay. So what we have in the REST controller levels, we have like one get mapping is there, and in that get mapping, what we are passing that let's say it's a path variable, then we are passing that in the endpoint itself. And in the method level, what we are doing, we're actually taking that ID, and then we are actually processing to the service, and from service to DAO. And in that DAO, what we are doing, we're actually getting from the DB and send back as a response body as a JSON format basically. So in that case, when first request comes to the REST controller, where we have like request mapping and also like get mapping, put mapping, delete or post mapping we have for different uses.
Okay. So now you would have used SSL for the APIs, right?
SSL. Sorry.
Yeah.
SSL
Yes,
means
SSL, Secure Socket Layer.
we are actually using like string security for that.
Okay. So you will be calling a HTTP URL or HTTPS?
No. Only HTTP URL we are calling right now. We are actually sending the authorization header with the HTTP URL. What we can actually get from the user management service, what we have. From that, we actually receive the JWT token for that user. What user if the user is valid or not, then only we are getting that JWT token as a token, and then we are actually passing that from the authorization header, and that we are actually checking in the service level that if the JWT token is present or not. If present, then we are actually checking if it's valid or not, or it's expired or not. So in that way, we are actually processing the request of the user.
Super. Okay. I'm good. Do you have any questions to ask us?
Questions is like actually I have talked to Arun previously. Actually not gone through all of your profiles. Means what are the mainly project that you have, and what are the technical stats that you are actually looking for?
So this is for one of our client. Okay, the client name is
ANS Bank.
ANZ Bank.
Yeah.
ANZ, yeah. Australia New Zealand Bank, right?
Yes.
ANS. Okay, so where is your current location?
Currently, I'm in Kolkata based.
No, that's okay. But you're working in Kolkata itself or Bangalore?
No. I'm here in Kolkata. I'm working in Kolkata itself. Actually,
Okay.
yeah.
So will it be okay to relocate to Bangalore or Pune?
Yeah. That is fine.
Okay. So they have this digital transformation project which is running, and they are setting up their team here in Bangalore.
Okay.
So this is happening because of this COVID now as of now.
Yes.
They are not having enough people to recruit now. So they are going to partners like us.
Okay.
So you will be if you are getting so the next round will be like there will be another round. And there is a test also. So in that they might ask you to write even a REST API.
Okay, fine.
Which can connect fetch values and others.
Okay. So will this be something like just a moment? Will this be
panel will be from Australia? Okay, one second.
Okay.
So at any point of time, if you are not clear of any questions or anything, you can pass them to get clarity and move forward.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay, now you can ask here, please.
Yeah, sorry, actually. No, I'm just asking, like, since you talked about the REST APIs, means, is this something around like hackathon, or I have to do all alone by myself?
No, they'll provide you a valid
Use case.
scenario, and then you can use case here, and then you can work on that.
Okay.
Hackathon, HackerRank, they do some tests, but not for Java. I think. They do it for Go and other things.
Okay. And means just asking that what DB should I use? Means I have actually like Spring Boot. My Spring Boot I have actually worked on. So in that, what DB I should use?
Maybe you can set up a MySQL DB
Okay,
for
fine.
Postgre.
Okay, fine.
Which one? Anything else you have? Mongo or
No. Actually, I don't have. I'm actually working like on the AWS Dynamo, but that is like the client access. I'm actually using.
Yeah, that is client access, right? Yeah, I told you. But probably, maybe we can ask them to provide a DB
No,
to access to their workstation. Okay, so that you can issue.
Okay. If not, actually, I'm using my company's laptop only. If my SQL is required, then I can actually switch to my personal laptop, which doesn't have like so much of RAM. That's why actually I don't use it too much. It's only have like 4 GB RAM. That is why I'm not using that.
Okay, I got that. Okay, maybe we can speak with Arun and
Okay, that is fine. I will actually do some regard then. Okay.
All right. Okay. So one more suggestion is like when we ask for these old concepts and other things, please try to give a real life example. Instead of we speaking about what is inheritance, what is encapsulation, what is abstraction, what is polymorphism, we can relate that to a real life example. Let's take a vehicle class and vehicle properties, color, different types of vehicles.
Okay.
You can explain. So they
Okay.
So since this is their blank, so you can always take an example of a bank. Okay, bank customer, and customer may use different banking products. Like that, you can give an example. Okay.
Okay. I got it.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Okay.
So then, I'm good. All the best.
Yeah. Thank you, Jayarajan. Thank you
Right.
everyone.
So any questions, you can reach out to Arun or me at any time. Okay.
Okay. That is fine. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Randy.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye. Yes. Am I audible too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're audible and your video is also perfect.
Okay.
Just wait for